Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another episode of the Global Arena. Today I'm discussing Lebanon explosion. Beirut, Lebanon saw another devastation. It happened in warehouse where 3,000 tons of highly explosive amount of nitrate were stored. At least 100 plus people were killed and some 4,000 people injured. In Beirut, smoke continues to build out over the blast site of explosion, shattered windows in 20-kilometer way. Rescuers are continuously looking for survivors and it is unclear how many people are missing. Now let's talk about the history which leads this incident. In 2013, a Georgian plane departed from Georgia to Africa. The Georgian aircraft was supposed to fly from Georgia over Turkey, Bosphorus, Mediterranean and Red Sea. Pilot landed airplane in Beirut before going to Africa for fuel. Lebanese authority found ammonium nitrate in it and stopped it for investigation. Lebanese authority found that the owner had neither permit nor any documentation, so they detained it. This issue remained unsettled until 2015, and in 2015 Lebanese authority eventually took control over it and stored it in warehouse near the port city and issued a statement that until and unless the situation resolved, it remained under the custody of Lebanon. Now let's discuss the purpose of ammonium nitrate. It is used for the purpose of fertilization because it is important source of nitrogen and crops require nitrogen for its growth. It is used for explosion in coal mines for the extraction of coals. Now it requires complete safety and precautions. That area must be fireproof and every equipment must be there in order to prevent any type of destruction. But Lebanese authority made a blunder and stored a massive amount of nitrate without any sound precautions. The explosion really shook the foundation of tiny country Lebanon, and in no time Beirut port changed into ashes. The sound of explosion was heard in neighboring countries and an island country near Lebanon, Cyprus. It is believed that Israel launched an attack on Hezbollah because this port was partially under the control of Hezbollah, but government said that it was due to our negligence. In my previous video regarding to the Lebanon, I discussed many aspects regarding to the Lebanon, so kindly check that video as well in order to understand Lebanon crisis. The explosion caused massive devastation and near buildings and towers collapsed, which created hurdle as roads blocked and ambulance could not reach on time for first aid. It was all about today's topic, so let's pray for Lebanon departed soul and speed recovery for injured. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe this YouTube channel.